Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning DIY wooden wall shelf ideas. Elevate your space with floating shelves. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating stunning DIY wooden wall shelves is a fantastic way to elevate your living space while combining functionality and aesthetics. Floating shelves in particular offer a modern minimalist design that can beautifully showcase your decor, photos, books and plants. These shelves can quickly transform bare walls into vibrant displays that reflect your personality and style. One of the first things to consider when planning your floating shelf project is the purpose of the shelves. Understanding what you intend to store or display will help you determine the design, size, and placement of your shelves. Whether you want to create an art display, showcase your favorite books, or organize kitchen essentials, each purpose may dictate different materials and dimensions. Before diving into materials, it's essential to think about the aesthetic you desire. The choice of wood can significantly influence the overall look of your shelves. Reclaimed wood, for instance, introduces a rustic charm and unique character, offering a touch of history to your decor. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries its own story, with knots and variations that add natural beauty. In contrast, hardwoods like oak, maple, or walnut can provide a refined and polished appearance, perfect for contemporary settings. This choice largely depends on the existing decor as well as your stylistic preferences. Once you've determined the wood type and aesthetic, the next step is to ascertain the shelf dimensions. Consider the wall space available and the items you plan to display. Floating shelves typically range from 6 to 12 inches in depth, while lengths can vary significantly based on your design. Depending on your wall size and layout, plan for either single shelves or a series of shelves that can create a cohesive look. Creating a floating shelf involves several core materials: wood boards for the shelf itself, brackets for support, screws, wall anchors, and a finishing product like paint, stain, or sealant. If you prefer cutting your boards to specific sizes, having a circular saw, miter saw, or a hand saw can be beneficial. If you choose pre-cut boards, ensure they are sanded down to prevent splinters and promote a smooth finish. When sanding, start with a rougher grit and gradually move to finer grits for a polished look. The finishing stage is where the magic happens. If you aim for a natural look, consider clear wood stains that highlight the wood's grain while providing a protective layer. For a pop of color, paint your shelves in hues that coordinate with your space. Whether you're creating a serene atmosphere using soft pastels or a vibrant statement with bold colors, the right finish can set the tone for the entire room. When it comes to installation, accurate placement and secure mounting are key. Use a stud finder to locate wall studs which provide the best support for heavy items. Mark these locations to help with precise drilling. If you can't hit a stud in the desired spot, consider using wall anchors that can provide extra support. These anchors ensure that your shelves stay securely in place, allowing you to display items without worry. To install your shelves, begin by attaching the brackets to the wall. It is essential to ensure the brackets are level before securing them in place. This step guarantees that your shelves will sit evenly and look polished. Once the brackets are affixed, slide the shelf onto the brackets to complete the installation. This method creates a clean floating appearance as the hardware is hidden from view. For a dynamic look, mix and match different shelf lengths and styles. Tiered floating shelves can add depth to your wall decor, allowing you to arrange items of varying heights. For instance, consider placing a larger shelf at the bottom and stacking smaller ones above it. This staggered effect can create visual interest and make your displays more engaging. In terms of decoration, consider your arrangement carefully. Instead of arranging everything in perfect symmetry, opt for a more organic layout. Combine various heights and textures to create a curated look. Use decorative boxes, plants, or art pieces to break up the uniformity. When arranging books, try laying some flat while standing others upright for a visually appealing contrast. In the kitchen, floating shelves can serve not only as a display for beautiful dishware but also as functional storage for spices, cooking essentials, or even cookbooks. Choose a wood type that complements your cabinetry for a cohesive touch. Adding small potted herbs can enhance both aesthetics and functionality, bringing a hint of freshness to your culinary space. In living areas, consider how floating shelves can showcase art and personal collections. If you've amassed items from your travels, this is a perfect opportunity to display them creatively. Arrange photos in unique frames alongside sculptures or souvenirs to form a narrative that reflects who you are. If you prefer a more minimalist approach, select a few key pieces that speak to you and allow them to stand out against the backdrop of the shelf. For offices, wall shelves can provide both functionality and decor. Use them to organize books, binders, and office supplies while adding aesthetic appeal. Incorporate plants or motivational quotes in decorative frames that inspire creativity and productivity. This not only keeps your workspace organized but also creates an environment that fosters focus and well-being. In children's rooms, floating shelves can become playful storage solutions. Use them to display toys, books, or games within easy reach. For theme decor, customize the shelves by painting them in colors that match the room's theme. Adding fun accents, like decorative bins or whimsical elements, can elevate the decor while keeping the space tidy. If you're interested in enhancing the lighting around your shelves, consider incorporating LED strips or small spotlights. This technique not only highlights your chosen decor but can also create a cozy ambience in the room, especially during the evenings. The soft lighting can draw attention to your displayed items, transforming your shelves into eye-catching features in your home. As you embark on your DIY floating shelf journey, embrace the creation process. Enjoy the opportunity to infuse your personality into your home decor. The sense of accomplishment from designing, crafting, and installing your own shelves brings a unique joy as you actively contribute to your living space. Furthermore, don't overlook the potential for collaboration with family or friends during this process. Working as a team can make the project more enjoyable and can lead to creative ideas that might not have surfaced when working alone. It also provides an excellent opportunity for bonding, especially if you involve children in the design and decision-making processes. Additionally, exploring online resources such as DIY inspiration blogs and tutorial videos can expand your knowledge and skills. There's a wealth of creative ideas and techniques available that cater to various skill levels. Even inexperienced DIY enthusiasts can find simple yet impressive floating shelf designs that can be tackled in a weekend. Ultimately, stunning DIY wooden wall shelves allow you to elevate your space while reflecting your personal style. Floating shelves offer flexible solutions that can be adapted to fit any room, adding both aesthetic charm and functional storage. The process of designing and constructing your shelves fosters creativity and satisfaction, resulting in a uniquely personalized decor element that enhances your living environment. By carefully considering design, materials, and placement, you can create beautiful floating shelves that serve as both art and utility. Whether you lean towards rustic charm or sleek modernity, these shelves can transform your walls and elevate your space into a delightful showcase of your tastes and interests. Embrace the journey of crafting your DIY wooden wall shelves, and enjoy every moment as you turn your home into a visual haven. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, stunning DIY wooden wall shelf ideas. Elevate your space with floating shelves. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.